Mnasangu asunyandolo yusudo di makasawa na mleba wasu sol mako salad. Yo.
Yvonne, not many people in Slovenia know you very well, so who is Yvonne Kraft?
I'm a German rider. I was 2004 at the Olympic Games for Germany. I finished 7th, and now since 2 years I focused on stage racing. I did the Cape Epic in 2008 in a mixed team. I won it in 2009. I did it too in a mixed team, but that was only a year with bad luck. I got a bad crash and it cost us 20 minutes, so we finished 4th. And last year I finished with a woman, with Hannele, the Cape Epic, on 2nd place. I got 2nd place at the Breck Epic stage race and 1st place at the Claro Brazil ride with my partner Celina Carpinteiro from Portugal. So I'm international rider.
How did this cooperation with Peter start?
Oh, he asked me. We saw each other at the Cape Epic 2 years ago, or last year, yeah. And then he sent me a message and asked me, and we talked a bit, and we were thinking 2 months, and I said, okay, we tried.
So you're obviously a very experienced stage race rider, and for sure a mixed team tactics is different than regular team tactics. What are you teaching Peter these days?
Oh, I explained him a lot of experience about stage racing for sure, but this time he will be the stronger partner and I have to know that I'm the weaker one. But we both have to learn to eat well, to get enough drink, to start early enough to drink, to take care of each other. So the thing who can do best need to do it. So Peter have to take care of the food, to tell me now it's time to eat. He has to look at the watch for that, and I do my best in riding very well and saving my energy on the right point. So I'm not allowed to go too fast, too early, and I have to tell him when we have to go slower, and that's my part, that I can finish till the end. And that's team technique. You have to know each other, what's going on. I'm a very good downhiller, very good technical, and he's a very good climber, and he's a strong man for sure. So on the downhill, he don't need to wait for me. I just go. On the uphill, he will catch me, and then I hope he can help me. And together we have to finish the best. No punctures, no flats, no problems with the bike. Take care of all bikes. Safety is the first thing on a stage race, because with a broken wheel you can't finish it. Take care of your bike.
What are other goals in this season?
I don't know who else is doing the mixed team, but with Esther Süß and Barty Bucher, I think we've got a very competitive team, and I don't know if we can beat them, but everything is possible on a stage race. So you never know.
And the rest of the season for you?
I'm starting with the Andalusia bike race in February. I do it with Celina Carpinteiro from Portugal again, and that's a good preparation for Cape Epic. Then I do the Cape Epic with Peter together, and for the rest of the season, no plans. I have a lot of ideas, but no perfect plans. I will see what's going on.
How is riding in Istria? Better than Germany at this time of the year?
Of course, much better. For me it's a completely shock, because I came out of winter. We had -11 degrees and -5 degrees on daytime, and when it's 0 degrees only rain, so horrible weather. So for me it's like a shock, riding in 12 and 15 degrees sunshine, 4 hours riding. That's like a shock. But it's beautiful, I love it.
Good luck in Andalusia and then in South Africa.
Yes, thank you very much. I hope the Slovenians know me better then, because I know some Slovenians and it's very nice. Thank you.
Peter Vesel, kako si predstavljaš tole nemško-slovensko navezo za Cape Epic?
Ja, zaenkrat, pač po 2 dneh treninga kaže, da bo šlo to vse v redu skupaj, no. Pač se razumeva, ona ima točno razdeljene stvari, kako je treba dirkati na taki etapni dirki in vsekakor mislim, da bo šlo v redu, no.
Tanja gotovo ni bila slaba partnerica, ampak vseeno, kaj pričakuješ, da bo drugače s tako izkušeno maratonsko in etapno tekmovalko?
Ne, vsekakor. Tanja je bila zelo v redu partnerica, sva se to zelo v redu razumela. Pač, kar se tiče Ivonne, pričakujem več tega medsebojnega sodelovanja, pomoči in pogovora med samo etapo mogoče, no.
Kako je pa prišlo do te ideje za sodelovanje?
Pač ne vem, enostavno je neka misel mi je prišla, poslal si mi mail, pač že naslednji dan mi je odgovorila, da je za to in tako sva se pa odločila in najdla in pač začela trenirati skupaj.
Cilj so stopničke, ne? Zdaj stopničke so 3.
Vsekakor stopničke so bili cilj že lansko leto, ampak žal je tako prišlo, da sva s Tanjo pač bila 4., vsako etapo 4., na koncu 4. Kaj bo letos, pa pustimo se presenetiti, ne? Ne vem.
Ko te imamo že pred mikrofonom, kaj so drugi tvoji cilji v letošnji sezoni?
Ja, mislim, da bo pol največji cilj sezone pač Evropsko prvenstvo. Mislim pa vseeno, da je trenutno res ta Cape Epic ta cilj sezone, ki ima največ pomembno.